Hello everybody. So I was just gonna make one video today, but I have to cover the one thing that I've been waiting for the whole week, which is Stretch is trading at 100. We are live ATMing on Stretch at Strategy. So the super risk off sentiment that we're seeing this Friday may actually be benefiting Stretch, and it may be benefiting Strategy. Actually, Strategy is strongly outperforming today. You know, Strategy is 1.5 correlation with Bitcoin. Strategy should be down more than this right now. It's not. It's 3.7% down right now versus Bitcoin only 3.2%. So we are outperforming Bitcoin once again. Note how the MNAV keeps expanding. We're now at 1.22. I haven't seen MNAV on Strategy this high in months. So Strategy is actually outperforming right now. The sentiment wouldn't have you believe that, but it is actually outperforming, especially on a day like today where this dump is epic. I have never seen this market make so little sense. It is completely absolute nonsense. It's a total wipeout of anything related to the future, anything related to growth, anything related to technology. The market is moving back to the 1970s. It's entirely ridiculous. You have companies which I own and I like very much, like Nebius down 15% as I speak. SoFi, right? Keep in mind, not long ago, SoFi was $28. It's now $17, almost 10% today. EOS, of course, a stock that I don't own, but I've covered it before on the channel. Club belongs to the club of stocks getting halved after their earnings. How many stocks were halved after their earnings? This market is entirely nuts. I actually listened to the entire EOS conference call. It's not that bad. It's really not that bad. Anyways, I mean, it's not that bad. It shouldn't be down 47%. It should be down like 20%, not 47%. So, and of course, that's one of these stocks down, 70, 80% from recent highs. Duolingo, of course, down 17, 18% today. Minus more than 80%. Duolingo must be down 85% from its peak 5 or 6 months ago. So this market makes absolutely no sense, and you can see that Strategy's, underperformance, pseudo underperformance, since it was at 400 and change, right? That's actually the performance of Strategy is actually pretty much in line with anything super growthy. So that's kind of my point. And today Strategy is outperforming. So very pleased with Strategy and Stretch. So this video I want to talk about Stretch. Of course, we've had all of the announcements with this crazy market. I haven't had time to catch up with the other presentations of day 2. Day 3 was it? Day 3. Anyways, I haven't caught up with all the presentations. I need to. But Stretch, like I said in my last video, we have good news. Stretch coming to Europe, Stretch coming to DeFi and digital finance, Stretch getting its own stablecoin, and then Stretch, of course, being adopted by corporate treasuries, many companies. There were many movements also with Bitcoin and banking, and banks adopting Bitcoin and offering Bitcoin, etc. Lots of very, very bullish news on Stretch this week, which means that we finally broke 100. The news is getting out. The market must be seeing Stretch as perhaps an alternative to a money market account, which is what it is designed to be. Stretch is designed to be an alternative to money market. That's what it is designed at. And I started counting. So today, when I look at the Stretch price, I'm seeing 10 periods so far of 5 minutes, 10 periods of 5 minutes where we traded at 100 or more than 100. And if you see Stretch.live, I don't know who vibe coded this, but I highly recommend this app that they created for us all. Stretch.live telling us 201 Bitcoin bought, knowing that they had about a 10% margin of error last time. So I would say Strategy could have acquired so far today between 180 and 220 BTC roughly, right? So that's a big deal. Stretch is trading at 100. Hopefully we finish the day strong at 100. There is some positivity today in this crazy market. Anyways, this was not investment advice. This is not financial advice, not investment advice, only entertainment. I'm hoping you were entertained. Please like, please subscribe, follow me on Patreon, follow me on X. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.